See, it's not going to work well there. So you're better off up here. You can point them down. If I put it here, it's going to hit the tire. It's going to be no good. Unless I make a piece that goes across here and put one here and one here. That'd be kind of cool. And point them down like that. Yeah, sorry about no commentary, guys. It was a lot of work. I'm running them off in 12 volts. I got a switch here that's 3-pin. Center is positive, and then it basically, when you flip it back and forth, it goes from yellow to white. That's about it. Fans working in unison. This is a piece of metal. There's glue in behind it, and then it's bolted just so it doesn't swing and hit the wheel. Does a good job of holding them. They're adjustable this way and this way. That's about it. Not much to it. When it hits the beam, hits the road, it's a solid bar of light. So you don't see two blocks, it's just one solid bar. So that setup works pretty good. So that's about it. If I have any issues with the fans or overheating, I'll do a follow-up on them, but I'm pretty sure they're good. Later.